Hi folks, Elaine here with WTI. I thought fountain pens were only for those who love to have them in their collection. After using this fountain pen by Wordsworth and Black, I have totally changed my mind 100%. I love using it for cards, for writing little notes. Using this pen makes me motivated to journal at night and continue writing my thoughts down. It feels so wonderful and it's so smooth. I doubt I'll ever go back to using a ballpoint pen. Isn't it so gorgeous? And I've used it for 3 weeks and I still have a good amount of ink left. It's a great deal to get 24 cartridges of blue and black ink. This pen is a great gift for someone you love or if you are in love with writing. So folks, start your fountain pen collection by Wordsworth and Black. I love it, I highly recommend it, and that's just my point of view.